Hi, and welcome again. This is Keith B1 with Republic Wireless's LG Optimus phone. One of the things I want to hit on today is in the settings. If you haven't already played around, you'll realize more and more that your phone is in fact a portable personal computer. As you'll notice, the profiles. Much like as you have in your computer, you have the ability to have different settings for different profiles. What I've chosen to do is, rather than have settings for different people, it's different settings for different parts of my day or week. There's a default, which is I basically left intact. It's all the factory settings, but I've also set up my daily phone settings. I have an all quiet, which is everything silent, including no vibrate, and then I have a silent with vibrate for those times when I'm either around a sleeping baby, or in a hospital, or in a meeting. So it gives you the ability to set up different profiles for different aspects of your phone usage. The next thing I want to hit on, which I had hit on before, but somebody had just asked, is the whole display. As you can see, once again, we're in settings, and if you hit display, you can hit brightness, and right, we'll hit that one next. And as I had said before, the brightness is actually a bar rather than a numeric setting, and you can either pull the bar from left to right to increase or decrease, or the way I choose is just to simply click on it. If you know where your normal settings are, for this video I'm going to keep it high, so that it'll remain pretty much clear for everyone. But by having the bars, it makes it that much easier for you to select, as opposed to having to put into a number. The next thing I wanted to hit on was the auto screen rotate. If many of you have not worked with a smartphone before, it's actually a great feature. Now, as you can see, it's turned off, so it's not automatically switching. But when this is selected, you'll see that it automatically switches for you. Obviously, the laying down is not helping, but that comes in useful when you're working with keyboards. Let's try that again. Probably have to, there we go. It has to be slightly upright. Now, if we go to if I switch over to a keyboard, you'll see what the difference is. Let me get into something that requires a keyboard. As you can see, having a laid out keyboard that's the length is much easier than having a keyboard that is simply the width. So it's a useful tool to have. I always keep mine on to make it easier for working with web pages, or especially for texting people. It's easy to have it in the side view mode, and as I said, once again, a stylus, of course, makes it that much more helpful when you're dealing with the small keys that are on the keyboard. One of the other things I wanted to get into was the whole accounts and sync. One of the things to show you is, if you're not going to have a lot of things running in the background, be it your updates for Gmail account or Yahoo, if you keep it off, you'll notice what the attention says. Disabling background data extends battery life and lowers data use. Some applications may still use the background data connection, which is something to think about as when we're using the Republic Wireless phone. The phone itself is always looking for a Wi-Fi connection, so that in itself uses up your battery, more so than if it were just an ordinary cellular phone just working on the normal networks. Once again, I'm hoping that this is another helpful and useful tool for everyone, and have a good day.